All right. Good morning, everybody. It's Saturday. It's 11:13. My ass just woke up. But I just wanted to make a quick video because I did trade Thursday and Friday. Thursday I lost. I don't know where that recording went, but I lost on Thursday, and I'll show you on my Thinkorswim statement once I finish up with this at the end of the video. But Friday we made some money. We made like $600, 590, something like that. And so this trade was a 3-hour trade for MNQ. So as you can see, I have NQ on top of here and then ES on the bottom of here, this Thinkorswim chart. And so basically, I would like, that's why I take a break from day trading the ES and stuff, because I was just strategy hopping and I just needed to reevaluate myself because just something really wasn't clicking. It felt like it was clicking, but it really wasn't clicking. But anyway, this is basically just liquidity sweeps. That's all it really is. And this was a 3-hour trade. So I'll skip through here. And basically, we swept liquidity here and came back in. And there was no setup for me on the 5-minute because I'm only looking at the 5-minute and 15-minute. So there was a setup on the 15-minute. Nice engulfing candle here. I got in a couple ticks under it because NQ is like so thin. Like you have to be really precise. So this is why I trade MNQ, because we're already down like 30 points. Stop is up there, and then our target's down here. So we got in, and I had a lot of stuff to do this day. So I kind of just let the recording go the whole day. And we came back up. We were, bouncing off. And I was kind of tripping balls. I was like, bro, there's no way this is happening because ES is making new highs, but NQ wasn't. So this is me just skipping through, and then I wasn't even home around this time, and then I think I finally come back home. I'm checking. I was like, okay, we're coming back down. We're coming back down. It's going to be a quick video just explaining everything. So now we're, okay, right here. Now we're in deep profit. We're good. We're chilling. I was like, this is great. This is when I came back home. ES came back in, but there's no setup when we came back into liquidity. Still skipping through. And we were consolidating. So now I switched to ES, and I'm like, okay, ES has a setup. We have a nice engulfing candle here. I'm gonna try to get in. Fuck it. And we did get in on ES, and then at this point in time our target on NQ did hit. It really did hit, and then I was just waiting for ES to hit, and we hit it at the end of the day basically. So that was 560, or no, 590 of profit. And let me show you the statement. We only made 28 bucks. Let's go, because I told you I lost on, yeah, I lost these days right here, on the 25th, no, 25th, 26th, then we made money on the 27th, so I only made 28 bucks. So that's fine. We're good. Doesn't matter. We're starting fresh. So Monday morning, we'll get back to our regular schedule of recording, and we'll be back on day trading in our regular schedule. So I'll see you on Monday. Just wanted to get this video out there because I haven't posted in a whole week, and we'll still do swing trades and some option trades too. But for now, we're back to day trading. So see you on Monday.